strength and the uniqueness of the Human Phenotype Project is in the unprecedented depth of profiling that we did, which includes clinical, physiological, and many molecular parameters. And we show through a series of works that all this data allows us to gain specific and unique insights like how people age and what is the difference between biological aging versus the real aging, and also the ability to use all this data and develop novel AI models that can predict the glucose metabolism of people, the onset of future disease, and develop what we call a digital twin for people that allows one on an app to be able to predict the health trajectories of people, including what actions would have an effect on their future health. And I believe that all of these tools, some of them which we are already providing patients, will be able to provide them in the upcoming months and years to come.